So it was almost asynchronous coding. Now, I've built other projects since this one and I've learned a lot. So a couple tips to leave you with. Number one, commit along the way. Because what I noticed is I would change one thing and I would notice 3 other things would break or change in ways that I didn't expect. So make sure you're using Git, make sure you're committing often. Every time you get a working state of the game, go ahead and commit it. And so you have this save point. And by the way, Cursor can do that for you. You just say commit the code and push it to GitHub. And then another one, write tests along the way. So once you get the game to a good state, tell Cursor to write tests for you, integration tests, unit tests, whatever you want. I think integration tests are probably the most appropriate. And just let it test it for you. Make sure the tests pass. And then every time, here is my workflow. I make changes, test them manually, make sure they work, ask Cursor to write tests for them, get all the tests to pass. And if they do, then I commit and push the code and start on my next feature. And so that is my workflow for this game. That's my workflow for other cool stuff that I'm building. And